In this video, I'll be walking you through all you need to know about market structure, all right? And I need you to understand that forex trading is all about structure. If you can get this right, your journey to become a profitable forex trader has just become so easy, right? So I've been needing to pay close attention to this video. This is the foundation that you need to become a successful forex trader. The market is all about structure, and if you can get this accurately in this video, trust me, you're going to thank me later for it. Right now, in this particular episode, I'll be walking you through three main steps. Number one step, I'll be walking you through how to use market structure to develop a trading bias. Right now, when we talk about a bias, you want to know if you are going to be buying the particular pair you're trading, or you're going to be what? Selling, right? So market structure will give you that bias. The second thing I'll be explaining to you how to use market structure to do is how to spot a reversal. Let's say you've been on a buy and the market is about to sell. How do you identify that sharp reversal? This is the video for you. The last but not the least is how to what? Develop a good entry and exit strategy. Let's say you've been in the market for buying and selling. How then do you know that it is the right time for you to exit the market? And how do you know the right time to enter a trade? This is the perfect video no one is talking about, right? Now, stick around. Let me walk you through the meaning of a proper market structure. So now, in forex trading, we have three types of structure, right? Three types of structure. Now, when we talk about structure is talking about the nature of the market, right? Once you come onto your chart, the moment you open your laptop or your mobile device and you come up to trading view, you want to examine the visibility of the market. You want to see what direction is this market heading to. When I mean the market, I'm talking about price, right? Now, the price can either do three of these things. Number one, whether the price is going up, right? Or whether the price is coming down, or if the price is moving sideways, right? From left to right, from left to right. Did you see that? So by this, we will say that the market is what? Consolidating, right? So now, once you identify that the price is moving up, it lets you know that the market is in an uptrend, right? Whenever you see price, right, moving up, it means that we are in an uptrend. And if the price is coming down, it shows that we are in a what? Downtrend, right? And if price is doing this type of movement, it shows that we are in what? A ranging market. This is a ranging market, right? So now, how then do you know that the price is in an uptrend? Is by examining this thing I want to tell you. Now, we have the characteristics of an uptrend. What are the characteristics of an uptrend? We have a high and a low, right? A high and a low, which means a higher high, a higher low, right? A higher high, a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, right? Now, why are we saying higher high, higher low? These highs, these are all highs. Here, we have all highs here. But you will notice that this particular one is higher than this one, right? This other one is higher than this one. This one is higher than this previous one. And this one is also higher than this previous one. So by so doing, you will say we have a higher high. Now, these are the lows, right? The bottom here are the lows. If you notice, you will notice that this one is higher than this one, right? So this is what we call higher lows. This one is higher than the previous. It's what we call higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, right? By reference, let's indicate it by higher high, right? Then we have this as what? Higher lows, right? Higher lows. You understand that? So this is how you can identify your chart. And once you see this type of characteristics, it lets you know that the market is in an uptrend, Okay, higher highs, higher lows. This we have higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and higher lows, right? So when you come to the market and you see price doing something of this nature, you should quickly know that these are the characteristics of an uptrend, right? Now, in an uptrend, what type of buyers are you going to be having? Like I said, market structure will help you identify the type of buyers, the trading buyers. So once you come to your chart and you found that price has been giving us higher high, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, the only thing you want to be doing is you want to be looking for a buying opportunity. All right, you want to be looking for what? A buying opportunity, right? Because you cannot be looking for sell in this type of market. You cannot be looking for sell in this type of market. You want to be looking for buying opportunity, right? So at the moment price comes back to this other low, you want to look for buy to move price up. That's what you want to be doing. Okay, now this is in an uptrend. This is an uptrend, right? Uptrend. Now what about a market that is in a downtrend, moving down this way? How do we identify the characteristics of a downtrend? How we identify it is we have series of lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, and lower low, right? Now, if you look at it properly, you will notice that these are all what? Highs, but they are lower than each other. This one is lower than this. This one is lower than this. This one is lower than this, right? And these are the what? The lows, right? So this low is lower than this low. So that means it's called lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. All right. Now let's identify it with our marking tool, right? Let's just use so we have what? Lower high, right? We have this as lower high, and we have this as what? Lower lows, right? Do you see that? Now, in this aspect, once you come to your chart, you should be able to determine the type of market you are trading in, right? This is the foundation of forex trading. And what we do in forex trading, we buy and sell. So, but before you can buy or sell, you want to know the type of market you are trading on, right? So if you are in a downtrend market and you are buying, that has its own consequence. That means you're trading against the trend. Okay, so with this is the characteristics of a what? Of a downtrend, right? So with this, what I'll be interested in looking for is what? Selling opportunity, right? I won't be looking for buying opportunity because the market is actually in a selling, in a downtrend, right? And I'll be showing you a live chart that I'm currently on, right? Now, this is two type of market structure. Don't forget the third one is the what? A consolidating market, right? Consolidating market. Now, this is the type of market that you want to stay off from, right? Because this type of market is not a trendy market, right? This type of market can easily take your money, especially as a beginner forex trader. You may not understand how to trade this type of market. So what you want to do, you want to stay off of a ranging market or a consolidating market. What we have here, we have what? Equal high, right? And equal lows. You can see equal lows. We have equal highs and equal lows, right? Because no one is even higher than any one of them. No one is even higher than each. So you have equal highs. They are both of the same height. Did you see that? All right. And we have equal lows. Once you are able to identify this, then you understand how to trade forex markets. This is just the foundation of trading, and it is important you are able to catch it early enough. So that is it for you, right? You can see, and instead of market, you want to stay off of this chart as a beginner forex trader. The only type of trade you want to be taking, or market you want to be trading, is either the uptrend market, all right, or the downtrend market, right? And don't forget, in an uptrend market, you're looking for buying opportunity. In a downtrend market, you're looking for what? Selling opportunity, right? So I'll be walking you through the live chart to show you how you can, all right, look for an entry here or an exit, right? And how to spot a reversal, right? This is how to spot a reversal, right? How to spot a reversal, right? Now let's move into our live chart. Now if you look at this chart that I'm currently in, this is GBP USD, right? This is GBP USD. Okay, now if you look at it right now, you will discover that the market is in a downtrend, right? Now what we have here, we have higher highs, right? Higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and we have what? Higher highs, right? And what are we looking for? Selling opportunity. And you can see I'm currently selling this market, right? That is how to catch this trade. Okay, now there are other in-depth knowledge about this type of analysis or structure, right? We have the external structure, we have the internal structure. Why I drew this trend line, this is to show us the overall direction of the market, right, in a broader view, all right, in a broader view. And if you look at it properly, inside the structure, we still have some mini structure, right? You still have some internal structures that are, showing us what the market makers are currently up to, right? So we have both internal and external structure, right? But that would be for another class. I wouldn't want to make this video so long. Just want to pinpoint to you how you can use market structure to look for what's entry, right? Let's look at another particular trade. Now I'm also looking at this particular trade. If you look at it, right, and this is GBP JPY, all right, if you look at it, you will notice that price was in an uptrend here. We've been moving up, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, right? Now price broke structure, all right? Price broke structure here, created a lower high, right? And that is what gave birth to this selling opportunity, right? So with this is where you want to exit your trade, because right now we have price broken below this low, right? Price has broken below this particular low. So this is now a new beginning of a lower low, right? And this particular high is no longer higher than this high, right? And this high is no longer higher than this high. If you look at this high, it was higher than this high higher than this high. So the moment you now start having a lower high, is an example of trend reversal, right? I told you how to spot trend reversal using just market structure. So with this right now, if you are in a position that you have been buying from here, you want to exit your buying trade and get in for a selling opportunity. How do you do that? You wait for price to break this neckline. Did you see that the moment price broke this neckline, then that is when you want to get in. Price broke it, came back to retest. So you want to sell from this left, from this junction, sell down here. So now we have a lower low, right? Lower high. So price is trying to create another lower low. This is how best to understand market structure, right? It's not complicated. This is the basics of forex trading. And if you're a new beginner forex trader, you want to quickly understand how to map out a very good market structure and use it to form your buyers. Whatever we're doing here is centered on market structure, and by extension, market structure is also about understanding where price is heading towards, right? So right now, what we have here right now is price trying to give us that another low right? And there are cases where price fail to break the lows. Then that means price is about to reverse. So once we have price giving you lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and price fail to break this low and come to be at an equal low with it, it's an example that price may want to shoot, all right, up, all right. So it's an example that price may want to move from a downtrend, right, into becoming an uptrend. Did you see that? And here we now have what is said to be a double bottom. And you know, double bottoms are meant for buyers. So right now, if I've been on the selling positions and haven't spotted these, I want to exit my selling positions and enter for what? A buy, right? So if I've been selling this trade, this market from here to here, and I'm saying something like this, you can see this is like a double bottom. Did you see that? It's like a double bottom. So what I want to do, I want to wait for an extra confirmation for me to go right in, right? And now this is on the 4-hour time frame. So what I do is I will exit my trade, like I said, show you how to exit a trade and how to get in, right? Why am I exiting? Because price is no longer printing lower lows for me. On the 4-hour time frame, the 4-hour candle closes with this green candle. All right, this is another way of using candlestick formation to determine your entry, right? I have a video about candlestick formations. You can check my other video after this video, right? So what you want to do, if there's another confirmation for you, you want to go in for a buy here, all right? Then your stop loss just below this low, and your target point will just be here as point TP1, right? And if price keep breaking this high, you want to keep extending your target profits to this particular level, right? So in a nutshell, this is how to use market structure for just, trading the market every day. And this is how I used to get in on my trade, and this is how I've been able to make the market every day with my students, right? If you want me to show you more in-depth knowledge about how to properly use market structure and how not to have a losing trade in the market, you want to join us in our academy. The link to join us is in the video description below. And if you are not already subscribed to this channel, you want to come and subscribe, because we do give perfect and educative video here almost every week. I want to be part of it, especially if you want to become a successful forex trader this year, 2025. Thank you. Make sure you like this video and share with your friends. I see you in my next video.